People are probably gonna tell me I'm lying again. People are probably gonna tell me shut the fuck up and stop making Jamaica look bad, or stop saying that we are moving in the direction of becoming one of the most violent places in the world. It sounds bad, but it's true. It is what it is, right? The sad thing is, what I'm talking about, people, is that funeral yesterday. I'm up there editing videos to post on SouFLoTV. As you can see, the video just posted today. Now something more, pardon me. The video just posted this morning about Jamaica statistically being the country that has the most murderous city in the world. And they crunch the numbers to get to that, okay? Now people are talking about, no it's not, and stop lying and all these other things. It is. It's probably something we need to be ashamed of, but it is. You know what I'm saying? It is, and I'm glad that we're ashamed of it. But now let's start doing something about it. May I ask for solutions? Chip in and make we talk, man. And stop going like it nah happen. And stop cuss out people who live a foreign. And I go on like say, oh, because on the leave, on the turn in the back and I say things to make the place look bad. That's stupid as hell. Majority of you Jamaicans know that anybody who left Jamaica and gone a foreign, their biggest wish is to return home, and to return home in a good way. So don't start stifle with dreams now, right? It's sad as hell. I'm there editing the video to upload it, and boom, came across the news flash out of Jamaica. Funeral gets shut up. People can't even grieve in a peace. So was this the funeral for the vendor who got stabbed to death, and then him funeral gets shut up? Maybe he wasn't just a vendor in the market. Cause why would they even go shoot up the funeral if it's just a random stabbing? And then people died from this shooting at the funeral. I believe it was 3 dead at the time that I saw it, and like 11 or 17 injured or something like that. Awataguan. Like, this is total, utter madness. Madness. I saw Andrew Holness praying and looking at the camera swinging out into the crowd and seeing people out there put them hand in the ear and whoo, hallelujah, Jesus. And it just reminds me of the friggin' hypocrisy that's in Jamaica, and the ignorance of our leaders, or the wickedness of our leaders then. So when everything else now work and you're not doing your job properly, just turn to prayer and tell the people them say them loss and them sin, right? I'm going to break that prayer down for you guys in a video that's coming up soon on SouFLoTV. Watch and pay attention to that video. Alright? I'm going to break down a prayer that Andrew Holness stand up there pray like him a preacher or pastor, but he come on behalf of. Let me bend that over phone and broke it down phone. You hear me? Alright, so watch this. It's sad. It's sad. And my thing is, we are in a state of emergency. We've been in a state of emergency for a long fucking time, but because people are able to go home, not get shot, come back to America, they don't care frig about their fellow human beings that are dying like flies every day. Now for the people that might tell me, say, yo, SouFLo, around on my ends, them things are happening, you know, I mean, I tell us, say, gang affairs. So basically, if you don't frig with them people here and you know, with them, them leave you alone, man. Which is true. But I'm not saying all of them, because we do have the stories of people who are not involved in these things where lose them life because of these things and because of crazy ass people. But that's everywhere around the world, right? That's what y'all want me to say, right? So stop talking about it, SouFLo, because it happens all over the world. Well, guess what? I know all over the world, me plan to live the rest of my life. It's in Jamaica, okay? So me a point finger any which part me can point finger, hoping that something can be done to save this beautiful island of ours. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. I could talk about them things here we are going in our country, because the more we talk is the more we shame those who want it to be swept under the rug. And hopefully them we feel the shame and start do at least a little something to stop it. Solutions are there, but they're not implementing any of them. And thanks to all my subscribers who've been riding with me for the 2 years I've been on SouFLoTV. The dream or the goal was to end 2017. We started in 2015. To end 2017 with 50,000 subscribers, and it looks like we're about to do it. Alright? When you don't know the thing already, you know, we say peace, love, and what? Progress. I'm out.